Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We're doing us a review on a ENO X3U Single DIN radio. This has a Linux operating system, touchscreen display, most of the USB stuff, single USB type setup. So we're going to unbox this, see what we have, and see what all kinds of goodies we have. And get everything out on the display, and we'll go from there. Alright. User manual. Cabling. So this is an ISO type setup. International Standard of Operations setup. My specific vehicle, I did have to get a adapter to work for this, but this is the it's an ISO setup on this, which I believe most of them are going to be set up the same way. You also have a fuse, audio cable, here's your power, ground cable. See what I mean? It's an ISO setup. So I have to have, for my specific vehicle, so I don't cut into any cables, which is usually bad. Sorry about that. So that's the back of my cable. I have a Chrysler vehicle that's going to go in, and it's just an adapter. It goes from the Chrysler connector to an ISO connector. And then this is going to be for different attachment. I think that's for a LED or something like that. But anyways, I won't even use it. That's the microphone. So you can have a built-in mic with this. Alright, so there we go. Pretty standard setup. Take off the casing here, and then it's going to be mounted in. If you don't already have an aftermarket radio set up, you'll have to get the additional brackets, you'll have to get the additional hardware for whatever specific vehicle that you have in order to get this thing mounted in. But I already have an aftermarket setup in mind, so it's just going to be a simple plug and play with the majority of it. Now this stuff, see, I won't even use the ones we did. This is if you don't have a cabling system already set up, but I do. I'm just going to be able to plug this in the back of the one because I already have my setup wired up for this. So each car is going to be a little different. This is going to plug in the back of that. That's going to plug right on the back of my radio setup, and it's already going to be in. The only thing I'm going to do is transfer over the bracket from one to the other. Let's go. We also have backup camera. Some audio cables. That's for your camera. That's for going to and from the front. And like another power adapter, which will likely be for camera setup. So I'm not going to install the camera today. I'm just going to put the radio in. To install the camera is going to be a little bit more time than I have today, but I will get that installed and show you and see how that works. It's typical. This is just going to mount where the some sort of screw wherever you want to put it. It's not going to be that big of an issue. Most of them are going to be universal type setups like this. So, but I'll get this set up and show you what it looks like.